In this video, you'll learn how to move files out of Dropbox on your computer in a simple, reliable way. We'll walk through the process step by step, and I'll also explain what's actually happening behind the scenes so you don't accidentally lose anything important. First, this method works best if you already have the Dropbox desktop app installed on your Mac or PC. When the app is installed, Dropbox creates a special folder on your computer that behaves just like any other folder on your hard drive. That means moving files out of Dropbox works the same way as moving them between regular folders on your computer. Start by opening the Dropbox folder on your computer. On Windows, open File Explorer and click on your Dropbox folder in the left-hand sidebar or under your user folder. On a Mac, open Finder and look for the Dropbox folder in the sidebar or in your home directory. Once you're inside that Dropbox folder, you'll see all the files and folders that are currently synced from your account. Next, decide which files or folders you want to move. You can click once to select a single file, or hold down Shift or Control on Windows, or Shift or Command on a Mac to select multiple items at once. Take a moment to double check your selection so you don't accidentally move the wrong files. Once you've selected what you want to move, right-click on any one of the selected items. From the menu that appears, choose Cut. If you prefer using keyboard shortcuts, you can press Ctrl+X on Windows or Command+X on a Mac. Cutting tells your computer that you want to move these items somewhere else, not just make a copy. Now, navigate to the place where you want to put these files. This could be your desktop, a folder in your documents, or even an external drive connected to your computer. Use File Explorer or Finder the same way you normally would to browse to that new location. When you're inside the destination folder, right-click on an empty space and choose Paste, or use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+V on Windows or Command+V on a Mac. Your files will begin moving from the Dropbox folder to this new location. Depending on the size and number of files, this might take a little time. It's important to understand what this move actually does. When you move files out of the Dropbox folder, they are removed from Dropbox in the cloud and from any other devices that are syncing with your account. You'll now only have the files stored locally where you moved them. If you want to keep a copy in Dropbox as well as on your computer or external drive, use Copy instead of Cut. Right-click and choose Copy, or use the keyboard shortcut, then paste into your new location. That way the original stays in Dropbox and you get an extra copy wherever you need it.